What's up, peoples? What's good? What's good? Avatar journey here. We got a little bit of progress. So you can see very well, we got a little buddy helping us along with the pollinating. So I've been trying to manually pollinate these two over here. I did some manual pollination on them. Hopefully I did it correctly. I took the male plant and put the pollen from the male plant directly from the male plant into the female. And right now, I'm not gonna lie, it's about that time for squash. It's about the end of June right now, and it's just females are starting to sprout up like crazy. Like, this is just one plant. I'm pretty sure I have about, last video we had about 6 in all with both of these plants, but with this plant alone, we got maybe 6 to 10. And then this one is so many. I did have a couple failed missions over here. Like that one, these two right here. I didn't pollinate it. I was wanted to see if they would get pollinated, but judging by the fact that they're turning brown, I'm assuming that means they didn't get pollinated. But I have some more starting to spread up over here in the corner. I got some new ones that have not opened up into flowers yet. I got a couple in the middle. Let me see if I can find, like this one right here. It's looking really good. But I'm hoping now that it's one bee has found, and my lady's telling me there's a second bee over there, so we're gonna head back over there. But so we're updating now. We have about maybe 12 females sprouting up over here, trying to get good angles. But this is the second video progression. Just wanted to make a vlog. We have about 12 female plants. As you can see, it's another one right there in the corner right there. This one vine alone has about 4 of them. Some of them are small. They're various sizes. We got one right there, one in the corner right there. Got a couple small, tiny ones right there starting. So this, and we got a couple males. I don't know if you can see those in the center. We're waiting for those to open up and get some pollen, but this has turned out to be, mind you, I did not plant a lot of seeds for these. And look what it's turned into. Look how big that is. Big, beautiful. And it started off so small. It's so funny because, like I said, I was freestyle over this garden, like I said in the last video. So I had my pepper plant over here, RJ, but that man has completely gotten covered. Let me see if I can find him. Down there, I don't know if you can see that darker leaf, that's the pepper plant. But he's completely gotten covered now.
Okay. There's a second bee here. Right there.
Where?
On that flower.
Oh, yeah, I see it. So before we didn't have any bees back here, but now they're starting to, I think they're starting to discover.
And there's one in that thing.
So I think if you just be patient, every chance I get, I've learned the hard way not to rush the male plants. I need to wait for them to fully open it and I can see pollen. Ain't that right?
Yes. I thought you said you saw pollen.
Somebody was pressuring me.
I wasn't.
I was like, I'm pretty sure I should wait for them to open. But she was like, no, we got to get them now. Because, you know, we're just excited because this is our first time growing anything. And we really want to do this right, try to get the pollen in the females while they're around. But yeah, it's been raining a lot, been storming a lot, but these two plants have been holding down really good. For the storms have been really crazy, really hectic, but they've been holding it down. And then we do have our watermelon plant. So last thing I'll show you guys, the watermelon plant right here. We do have a little fuzz coming along with this one right here. We'll see. I'll keep you guys updated on the watermelon plant to see if it starts to grow anything. And then we got our eggplants who have turned into some pretty sizable seedlings inside, and we're gonna move them to this vertical part right here. So yeah, it's looking good so far. The garden's getting big, like on its own. I'm just watering it every day, make sure I water it, fertilizing it, and feeding them like every week or 2. And yeah, this is how it's been turning out for me, just throwing down some seeds and just seeing how it basically